Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing materials and making precise cuts. This saves fixes later. Mark the tower strip to height H and circumference C, then score vertical bend lines so the cardboard rolls neatly. Cut a circular base slightly larger than D so the tower sits flush. Once cut, reinforce edges with 1/2 tabs. Use hot glue in short beads to avoid warping. Make sure to hold joints for 10-15 seconds so the bond sets straight. Once the basic cylinder is formed, tack the seam with 3 spot glues, then run a continuous glue line and press a reinforcement strip inside to lock shape. Add internal ribs every 3 inches. These prevent ovailing and transfer load to the base. Cut windows and doors carefully using a fresh blade, then glue thin backing pieces to tidy the openings. This both hides corrugation and creates a surface that takes paint evenly. Make sure to work. You finish by building the lantern room. Form a small cylinder, add clear plastic for windows, and attach a conical roof. Press and hold until set. Prime the whole model, then paint stripes with measured bands, use 1/2 masking tape for crisp lines, and seal with a clear coat to protect cardboard fibers. If the lighthouse wobbles, add weight to the base or glue a centered inner column. This corrects balance quickly and preserves your paint job without disassembly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.